Okay, I have Simplify 3D open. Now my Simplify 3D, this is video 3, but my Simplify 3D has a bunch of things in here. Yours will have none the first time you do this. You'll need to add. It'll open this screen. You're going to name the process or whatever, but you need to select this Pressa i3 MK3 model, okay, for your profile. And PLA. Let's stick to PLA for now. There's lots of other materials that are a lot better for other things, various models and whatnot. But for now, we're going to do this. Now, I am not going to say OK because I've already got this in there. What I'm going to do rather, okay, I'm going to cancel out of this. You'll need to do this. But once you have it, you'll have, you can see I have, oh, it added it anyhow. Okay, so PLA, FF. Okay, I'm going to edit that process and show you what my settings are. Layers, okay? I like to have top and bottom layers about 4 thick. The default might be 2 or 3. I like 4. When you first start out printing, do a crude model. 0.2 millimeters is a good one. Additions, I do not use skirt or brim or raft or any of these others, all unchecked. Infill, 10%. Okay, I want it to print quickly. Support. I do not need support for this model. If I was doing support, I would probably use 10% once again for the support because I want it very sparse and easy to break out. All these, you can take the default. The temperatures for the primary extruder is 220, heated bed 50. Okay, cooling. All of these other tabs, you can leave it at its defaults. The one thing I do adjust the printer speed for layers below. I allow the speed reductions down to 20%, okay, which may not be the default, okay. So I'm going to say okay, and I'm going to say prepare to print, okay. And I've done this before in the last video. I selected the Pressa. It gets it ready. I save it to the file. I'll do it again right here, right now, and then we're going to take it over and we're going to move it. I'm going to save. It's going to say it's already there. I'm just going to replace it, and I'm done this video.